Welcome to day 6, S3 Advanced. Never give full access, give temporary access to your S3 storage. Now, the step 1 is we will enable versioning. So we'll come back to our bucket. There is Sri demo bucket 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will enable versioning. Under properties, you have bucket versioning, which says bucket versioning disabled. See this? So we will click on edit and enable. After enabling bucket versioning, you might need to update your lifecycle rules to manage previous versions of the object. Click on save changes. So successfully edited bucket versioning and enabled. So what we will do now is we will click on objects. So see the file here, see the file here. Click on the file, we open. If you click on versions, you will see that it is the current version. So what we will do is we will upload one more copy. This time we will use command line to copy. So what we will do is we will nano the file and we will add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. We added one more line to the file and AWS S3 CP test.txt and we'll paste the bucket name. Okay, so same file name has been uploaded again. Now let's refresh this page and click on versions. What will we see? See here, we have a new version. Current version is here. Let's upload the same file once more. And versions, we see one more version got created. And the file size you can see here. Let's add one more line, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And copy it again, refresh it. And all previous versions are available. See this? If you refresh, you will see that the object is still accessible via the public URL, and it is having the latest 3 lines that we have added. If you click on versions and go back to first version, and we can download the first version, we can open it in another tab like this. See, our first version is accessible. So instead, second version, all these versions are accessible. Okay, next, step 2. So step 1 is to enable versioning. You now know how to enable versioning. That is it. Step 2 is generate a pre-signed URL. So AWS S3 pre-sign, okay, and the name to the file, AWS S3 pre-sign and name to the file. Now what it gives is, it gives a long URL, which is a pre-signed URL to access the file. See this? This will give temporary access to the file. Lifecycle. Let's go to management. So let's set the lifecycle rule for this object. Lifecycle rules are set at the bucket level. Select the bucket and click on management. And lifecycle rules. Create a lifecycle rule. Rule name. Delete in a day. Okay. So here we need to select expire current versions of the object. Okay, expect current versions of the object, and here enter number of days. So we can enter 1. So day 1 object expires. Create the rule. Apply to all objects in the bucket. Okay. So we have the lifecycle rule added. So any file that we upload to this bucket will get deleted in a day. So we saw how to make an object public access. We saw how we can enable versioning and see the previous versions. And we also saw how we can enable auto cleanup.